Everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and here is a quick little project that I made for some gift giving. I have used the Echo Park Pets collection, and this is the stamp set. I took out the little puppy dog here, and what I did is I pulled some journaling cards, Project Life journaling cards from my stash. I cut them in quarters. I rounded the edges and punched a hole with my crocodile, and I thought that was the cutest little tag. And then I cut up some strips of paper, shoved it in a little plastic sleeve, and went ahead and cut another 2 by, I think this is 1 7/8 inch in this case, for the topper, and just did a quick little staple with the tiny attacher. Used some twine out of my stash and just tied this little tag right on. And I put in each of these packages 3 little milk bones. So I thought it was a cute idea. I just finished up a craft fair, my very first craft fair, and I think it went really well, and I sold quite a few of these. I have these left over. But this was really fun, quick, and easy to make, and I look forward to showing more little projects like this with you soon. Until next time, everyone, happy crafting, you all. Bye.